Welcome to my channel. We have now the first problem. First, cross multiply. Then simply multiply m and n. Expand this binomial, n squared minus 9m squared. Let's check if these factors are correct by multiplying both. It's easy to get the root of this binomial because both variables are squared. Then the root for 9 is 3. See, the product of the factors end up with the given binomial. Then copy the denominator m, n. Let's move to the next step. Let's simplify. If a fraction is being divided by another fraction, flip the second fraction. If there are common factors, you can just cancel when it is being divided by itself. Okay, then copy the remaining expression. This is now the final answer. I hope that you understand the process. Thank you for watching.